Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Giselle. If you are joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a regular subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in into a new video. Today guys, it is the 1st of January 2023, so I'm wishing you all a happy new year. I really hope you've had great time just to relax with your family over the Christmas period, and also now in a happy new year. I hope all of you are doing well. And to kickstart the new year, I wanted to do a review on a product that I have been wanting to do a review on for ages, but haven't been able to get a hold of it, and now I finally have. So I wanted to do a review for you guys on the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, because it is just one of those products, guys, that I definitely have to tell you how much I love it and why I think that you guys should also give it a try. So if you guys want to see more on my review on this Elemis Pro Collagen, then do carry on watching, and I will list it in the description box below like I always do, so do check out the link in there. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and let's get straight into the video. So guys, this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Hydrating Cleansing Balm. This is absolutely amazing for removing makeup off your face. It's also such an essential product to use for like pre-cleansing. So before you sort of do your main cleansing, where you use the cleanser that washes off with water, you want to use the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, because that's just going to help break down everything nice and easily. And because it's like an oily sort of balm, it attracts to the natural oils that you have in your face, so it's just much more smoother, much more less harsher in terms of removing makeup. And I like that it protects the skin barrier, which is something that you definitely want to make sure you always protect, is your skin barrier, because once that skin barrier is damaged, it can just cause a lot of problems. So I like that this product really hydrates the skin, and it's just super easy to use as well. I'm going to read just the information on what the product claims, just for anyone that doesn't know what the product does. So it says that this super cleansing treatment balm removes makeup and daily grime, so you can use it on a daily basis, like I've said, as a pre-cleanser. It's such a good one to use. And then it also says that this the skin feels cleansed and hydrated, softened for a glowy complexion, which is something that I absolutely love, because if you live in the UK or anywhere where the climate is quite cold, it just can be so harsh on the skin, so you need things that hydrate and keep your glowing complexion. So I absolutely love the Elemis Pro Collagen for that. And then it has some directions on how you use it. So basically you just take a pea-sized amount, a little goes a long way, and what you just do is you smooth it all over a dry face, your neck and your décolleté, which is around here, and then you remove it with a warm damp cleansing cloth. It actually comes with a cloth that you can basically put under warm water and just wipe it off, which is super easy and super helpful that Elemis have that. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the cloth looks like. It's just nice soft cloth that you can easily remove the cleanser with. So this is what it looks like. I just love the packaging of this product. I haven't yet used mine, but I will show you guys a demo of me using it in this video. But as you can see guys, it is just like the most silkiest formula. It's just like a balm literally, and it just melts on your skin and just helps everything to loosen up really nicely. Because one thing about me, especially when removing makeup at the end of the day, I don't want to feel like I have to be using a lot of you know, cotton wool and all of that, because it's just tedious. So I just like something that I can just apply in one go. It just melts off. You can wipe it off and then move on to the next stage. So I absolutely love the Elemis Pro Collagen for that reason. And I also like that because it's like a balm, it like melts into the skin easily, so it doesn't really matter whether this product is like in the cold or whether it's in a warm environment. Because it's like a balm, it just melts easily, whereas the other sort of balms that I've seen on the market, sometimes when it's cold they do get very solidified and you have to wait a little bit until they melt. So I like this about this product, so highly recommend for you to check it out. And I know you guys are probably going to say that this is quite an expensive product, which it is, but what I would suggest and what I always do with these products before investing in a lot of money is first get a smaller like little tester, little starter kit of these products, get it in a smaller size, try that out for a while and then see how you get on, and then invest in much more of like a bigger size. But obviously they're not very cheap, but I always say like for your skin, you want to always invest in your skin no matter how much it costs, because you only have one skin. So I absolutely love using it. I'll show you guys how I use it on my skin, but that is literally all the information that I have on the product. It's definitely a must in my opinion to have in your makeup sort of bag for like daily usage and also for makeup remover. So guys, just to let you know, they have like these 3 cleansing classics. So the first one that they have is the one that obviously that I'm reviewing today, which is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. They also do have the Rose Cleansing Balm as well, and also they do have a Summer Bloom Cleansing Balm. So there's quite a lot to choose and pick in terms of what goes with your skin. Like I said, always test it out in a smaller product, in a smaller size, sorry, and then invest in a bigger size, just in case it might not work for your skin, because not everybody's skin is going to work whilst using the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So do always have that in mind. And also they do have other sort of balms and alternatives on the market that you can guys do check it out. I'll list all of them and link them all in the description box below. Do leave me your comments on what you think of the cleansing balm. If you've used it before, I'd like to hear you guys' feedback and what you think and what it's done for your skin. But if you guys enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see ya. Mwah. Bye dolls.